in, spittin' but got a grin. And I never met a nigga that didn't commit a sin. Half my niggas out, half my niggas still in, but I can't fuck with you, son, if you don't really get it in. Middle finger up, real niggas live it up, and I don't give a fuck like a bitch that don't give it up. 5 throw it up, true G to the coffin. Got that light green, guaranteed to leave you coughing. Love this lifestyle, but they snitching too often. Killing these young niggas, you could call it an abortion. The city's mine, I'm taking a whole portion. Probably catch me leaning like that 3-wheel motion. Get money, hard work, and devotion, but I ain't never thinking about you, no Frank Ocean. That white girl, I gotta keep the connect. You want the money and the power, better get the respect. Fuck you and whoever the fuck is cutting your check, cause my niggas will run up on you for that shit in a sec. Have you, your girl, your whole label hitting the deck. After the drama, your baby mama giving me neck. Still wonder who the fuck you niggas thinking I was. And you must be hot shit, cause you got a little buzz. I'm so whack, featuring just cuz. Make you wanna smack that nigga just cuz. R&B singer, real niggas know the deal. Appetizer, not even a full course meal. Never heard about grams busting no steel. I'm like, he's alright, but he's not real. Never ever made a whole song I can feel. I'm like, he's alright, but he's not real. If it got real, that nigga probably squeal. I'm like, he's alright, but he's not real. He's not real.